Right here we've got a 71 Ford Ranger for sale. It's ground up restored by a professional shop. I mean, it's a show quality vehicle, top to bottom, in and out. Factory Calypso Coral with the white. It's got a 390 big block under the hood. Power steering, power brakes. Go to volocars.com, you'll get all the specs, price, hundreds of pictures, well, 100 pictures of the truck inside and out. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're always posting old collector cars for sale. I just looked at the odometer. This has 56 miles on it since it's been restored from the ground up.